Looking for the best toast oven for your toast? We have tested 19 different models of all shapes and sizes for years. And now we have here the top 4 favorite contenders, which is capable of delivering perfectly toasted bread, crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. You can help us decide. Let's find out together and welcome to our Shouldit Toaster Oven Showdown. Okay, now we have here our first toaster oven, the Ninja Foodie XL Pro, and I'm gonna test it with 4 slices of white bread. Our testing revealed the toast shade level 5 to be the best, so that's what I'm gonna choose right now. Okay, turn the oven on. Here we have toast, because we did have a test run earlier. Okay, 4 slices, toast shade level 5, rack level 3, all the information you need. Very, very convenient. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, rack level 3, slide it in, and start. Okay, it's done. Let's take it out. Quite beautiful, if I might say. Now let's take a quick look. Okay, now let's take a look at this. Okay, quite even, golden. Not all the way golden brown yet, but seems very appetizing. Let's check if it's really crispy. Yep, sounds great. Okay, not quite dry. Seems to be still quite moist inside. Let me have a bite. Okay, quite good. Final thoughts later. So now, let's jump into the second one, the Breville Mini Smart Toaster Oven. Okay, here we go. We have the dial on toast and darkness level 4. Gonna increase it to 4 slices. Okay, so toast should be here on tray level 2. Slide it in and go. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Again, let's take a quick look. Okay, not the most even, but during our testing, if we were to increase it to level 5, it would be too dark and the evenness would not increase at all. But if we decrease it to level 3, it'll be too light. So this is about as good as it gets with the Breville Mini. Yep. Let's check crispiness. Okay, not so bad. Okay, seems like there's still a lot of moisture inside. Give it a test. Okay, so it's just enough for the outside to get slightly crispy while maintaining a lot of moisture inside. If that's what you want, then go for the Breville. Now, let's move on to the next one, which is the Panasonic Flash Express with toast shade level 1, which might be surprising, but any more than that and the toast would burn. Okay, this tray is a bit tricky, but I can manage. Okay, this way in first, latch onto it, hook it in. Okay, so we have toast and shade level 1, and the timer is already ticking. Okay, now this is going to be a bit tricky to remove, but I'll try my best. Okay, so I tried to bring the entire rack out, but it's just no space for me to work around it. So here we have the toast for the Panasonic on toast level 1. As you can see, it's not the most even around. It has a very beautiful golden brown color around the center of the oven. But as it gets to the edges, since the toast timer was too short, the entire oven didn't get hot all the way through. So that's probably why it's not the most even, but the color is still quite nice. So let's check out the crispiness. Okay, since the toast timer was kind of short, it's not the most crispy, but it's not bad either. Check it out. Okay, sounds like it's still very moist inside. And let's have a taste. Okay, so you can see here that the area that is golden brown is very crispy, but the lighter area, not so much. But if it were to increase it to level 2, it would be just too dark. And it's not even gonna be worth the extra evenness. So let's move on to the final toaster oven, the Cuisinart TOA-70. Okay, the manual says upper tray level, so in it goes. Don't have to worry about the timer dial. Temperature to toast equals 450, function toast, and then our tested best level, medium, which should be 5 minutes. Okay, beautiful. Okay, here we go. As you can see, depending on your reference, this could be, a little bit darker than ideal, but to me this is a beautiful golden brown, and it's super even up top, not so much at the bottom, but this is to be expected with quartz heating elements instead of nickel. Okay, crispiness, let's crack it up. Beautiful sound. Let's give it a quick taste. Okay, super crispy outside, still quite moist inside. If you prefer, a little bit lighter, you could go for around 4 minutes or 4 minutes 30. But as you can see, with the same 5 minutes as the Ninja, it's much more even. And to me, this is my favorite shade. Of course, we also tried the lighter setting and the dark setting, but as you already know, light is a bit too light and dark, it's just gonna be too dark. So this is it. Okay, now here's a quick rundown of everything in order. The Ninja Foodie XL Pro, around 5 minutes, light golden brown, varied texture, crispy outside, moist inside. Panasonic Flash Express, around 2 minutes and 45 seconds, so it's the fastest, a bit darker, could be more even, slightly crispy, moist inside. Breville Mini, 3 minutes, a bit lighter, not as even, slightly crispy, inside, soft. And finally, the Cuisinart TOA-70, 5 minutes sharp, around the same as the Ninja, but a beautiful golden brown. Very crispy outside, inside, not dry at all. So, all of these are good, and this one is my favorite. But let me know in the comments which is your favorite. And also, let us know what food showdown you would like to see next. If you're interested in any of the ovens, we have the links to them in the description below. And if you want to know all the details about them, we have a link to our Shouldit Toaster Oven series there as well. If you enjoyed the video, please consider like and subscribe so that you won't miss our future uploads. Any support from you is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching Shouldit, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!